I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the years, and the Norwegian Sky keeps surprising me every time I step aboard. This mid-sized ship from Norwegian Cruise Line strikes that perfect balance between having enough to do without feeling overwhelmed by crowds and endless choices. Built back in 1999, the Norwegian Sky might not be the newest ship in the fleet, but don't let that fool you. After several renovations, this vessel offers a surprisingly fresh experience that feels both classic and modern at the same time. What immediately caught my attention during my latest sailing was how this ship manages to feel intimate despite carrying over 2,000 passengers. You're not constantly fighting for elevator space or waiting in massive buffet lines like you might on some of those floating cities. The Norwegian Sky operates primarily in the Caribbean and occasionally ventures to other warm-weather destinations. During my recent 7-day cruise, I had plenty of time to explore every corner of this ship, and I'm excited to share what I discovered. Let's start with where you'll be sleeping, because let's face it, your stateroom is your home base for the entire cruise. The Norwegian Sky offers 4 main categories of accommodations, and each has its own personality. The interior staterooms are your most budget-friendly option, and honestly, they're not bad at all. These windowless rooms clock in at about 143 square feet, which sounds tiny but feels surprisingly functional. The clever storage solutions include underbed space and a decent-sized closet that actually fits more than you'd expect. I stayed in an ocean view stateroom during one sailing, and that window makes a huge difference. These rooms are slightly larger at around 161 square feet, and waking up to ocean views instead of a blank wall definitely improves the cruise experience. The windows are picture windows, so you can't open them, but the natural light transforms the entire space. The balcony staterooms are where things get really nice. At roughly 205 square feet including the balcony, these rooms give you that private outdoor space that's perfect for morning coffee or evening drinks. The balconies aren't massive, but they comfortably fit 2 chairs and a small table. For those wanting to splurge, the suites on Norwegian Sky range from junior suites to the impressive owner's suites. The owner's suites are genuinely spacious at over 750 square feet, featuring separate living areas, large balconies, and upgraded amenities like priority boarding and dining reservations. All staterooms come with the basics you'd expect: television, telephone, hairdryer, and adequate bathroom facilities. The bathrooms are cruise ship compact, but the showers have decent water pressure, which isn't always guaranteed on older vessels. One thing I appreciated was the 24-hour room service, though the menu is limited and there's a small delivery charge for most items. The housekeeping staff does an excellent job with twice-daily service, and those towel animals never get old. Now let's talk about food, because eating is basically a full-time job on any cruise ship. Norwegian Sky offers enough dining variety to keep your taste buds happy without breaking the bank on specialty restaurants. The crossing's main dining room serves as your traditional cruise dining experience, with rotating menus featuring international cuisine. The service here is consistently good, and the food quality exceeds what you might expect from a ship this age. They handle dietary restrictions well, and the waitstaff genuinely seems to care about your dining experience. The Garden Cafe buffet spans a good portion of Deck 11 and offers the usual suspects: international stations, salad bar, pizza, and comfort foods. What impressed me was how well they maintained food temperature and freshness throughout the day. The pizza here is actually quite good, and the soft-serve ice cream machine rarely breaks down. For specialty dining, Cagney Steakhouse delivers exactly what you'd expect from a cruise ship steakhouse. The steaks are properly cooked, the atmosphere feels upscale, and the service justifies the cover charge. Le Bistro offers French cuisine in an intimate setting, though the portions tend to be on the smaller side. Moderno Churrascaria brings Brazilian-style dining to the ship with an all-you-can-eat meat experience. If you're a carnivore, this place will make you very happy. The salad bar complements the grilled meats perfectly, and the service style keeps things interesting. The sushi bar might seem like a risky choice on a cruise ship, but they actually do a respectable job with fresh fish and creative rolls. It's not going to compete with high-end sushi restaurants on land, but for a cruise ship, it's surprisingly good. Teppanyaki offers the classic Japanese hibachi experience, with skilled chefs putting on a show while cooking your meal. The entertainment value alone makes this worth trying, and the food quality is consistently solid. Bar options throughout the ship range from casual to sophisticated. The atrium bar serves as the social hub with live music and a central location. Spinnaker Lounge offers a quieter atmosphere for conversation, while the various pool bars keep the tropical drinks flowing. The pool area on Norwegian Sky feels just right for the ship's size. The main pool deck on Deck 11 centers around a decent-sized pool that's perfect for cooling off between port visits. The pool depth won't win any diving competitions, but it serves its purpose well. What I really appreciate is the amount of deck space available for lounging. Even on sea days with full passenger loads, finding a comfortable spot to read or nap isn't too challenging. The deck chairs are in good condition, and there are enough umbrellas to provide shade when needed. 2 hot tubs bookend the main pool area, and they maintain good temperatures throughout the day. The hot tubs can get crowded during peak times, but patience usually pays off with a relaxing soak. The adults-only area provides a peaceful retreat when you need to escape the family-friendly chaos. This space includes its own small pool and dedicated deck chairs, creating a more sophisticated atmosphere for grown-up relaxation. One unique feature is the basketball court that doubles as a deck space. Even if you're not shooting hoops, this area offers good views and a different perspective of the ship and ocean. The jogging track circles the ship on a higher deck, providing exercise opportunities with constantly changing ocean views. The track surface is well maintained, and the distance markers help you keep track of your workout progress. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Norwegian Sky punches above its weight class. The fitness center might not be enormous, but it's well equipped with modern cardio machines and strength training equipment. Most machines face windows, so you can watch the ocean while working out. The rock climbing wall provides a unique challenge that's surprisingly popular with guests of all ages. The staff does a great job with safety briefings, and the wall offers different difficulty levels to accommodate various skill levels. Sports enthusiasts will find a basketball court that sees regular pickup games throughout the cruise. The court surface is well maintained, and equipment is available for borrowing. The casino offers the usual array of slot machines, table games, and poker tournaments. It's not Las Vegas, but it provides decent entertainment for those who enjoy gambling. The atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming, and the dealers are generally friendly and helpful. Evening entertainment centers around the Stardust Theater, which hosts production shows, guest entertainers, and special events. The theater offers good sightlines from most seats, and the sound system delivers clear audio throughout the venue. Live music appears throughout the ship on various nights, from solo acoustic performers to small bands. The quality varies, but there's usually something happening that matches your musical taste. Dance classes, trivia contests, and game shows provide daytime entertainment options. The cruise staff does an excellent job keeping energy levels high without being too pushy or over the top. Art auctions might seem cheesy, but they're actually entertaining even if you're not buying anything. The auctioneers are skilled entertainers, and you might learn something about art appreciation. The spa facilities on Norwegian Sky provide a genuine escape from the cruise ship bustle. The Mandara Spa offers a full range of treatments from basic massages to elaborate packages that can consume an entire day. Treatment rooms are well appointed and soundproofed, creating a peaceful environment for relaxation. The staff is professional and skilled, though prices reflect the captive audience situation you'd expect on a cruise ship. The thermal suite includes a steam room and sauna that provide therapeutic benefits beyond simple relaxation. Access requires an additional fee, but the peaceful environment and health benefits make it worthwhile for spa enthusiasts. Fitness classes happen regularly in dedicated studio spaces, ranging from yoga and pilates to more intensive cardio workouts. The instructors are qualified and enthusiastic, creating engaging sessions for participants of all fitness levels. The relaxation areas adjacent to the spa offer comfortable loungers and peaceful atmospheres for meditation or quiet reading. These spaces provide refuge when you need to decompress from the more active areas of the ship. Spa packages can provide significant savings if you're planning multiple treatments. The staff does a good job explaining options without being overly aggressive with sales pitches. Norwegian Sky caters well to families traveling with children of various ages. The Kids Crew program provides supervised activities for children ages 2 through 12, giving parents opportunities for adult time while ensuring kids have age-appropriate fun. The kids area includes dedicated play spaces with toys, games, and activities designed for different age groups. The space is colorful and engaging without being overwhelming, and the staff maintains good energy while prioritizing safety. Teen programs focus on social activities and independence, providing supervised freedom that appeals to adolescents. The teen area offers video games, music, and spaces for hanging out with newly made friends. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship include movie nights, scavenger hunts, and interactive games that bring different generations together. These activities are well-planned and executed with genuine enthusiasm. The main dining room accommodates families with kids' menus and flexible seating arrangements. High chairs and booster seats are available, and the staff shows patience with young diners. Pool areas welcome families with shallow sections and safety measures that provide peace of mind for parents. Lifeguards are present during designated hours, adding an extra layer of security. Shore excursions include family-friendly options that balance education with entertainment. Beach days, snorkeling adventures, and cultural tours provide opportunities for shared family experiences. The itineraries Norwegian Sky typically follows showcase some of the Caribbean's most appealing destinations. 7-day Eastern and Western Caribbean routes provide good variety without feeling rushed between ports. Popular ports include Cozumel, Jamaica, and the Bahamas, each offering distinct cultural experiences and activity options. Shore excursions range from beach days to cultural tours, adventure activities to shopping expeditions. Cozumel excursions focus heavily on snorkeling and diving, taking advantage of the island's world-class reef systems. Beach clubs provide relaxing alternatives for those preferring to lounge in tropical paradise. Jamaica offers everything from river tubing and ziplining to cultural tours and beach experiences. The variety ensures every family member finds something appealing, regardless of activity preferences or physical capabilities. The Bahamas provides easy access to beautiful beaches and water sports. Nassau offers shopping and cultural attractions, while private island experiences deliver pristine beaches and organized activities. Shore excursion booking can be done on board or independently, each approach offering different advantages. Ship-sponsored excursions provide guarantees and convenience, while independent exploration offers flexibility and potential cost savings. Port days typically provide 6 to 8 hours in each destination, allowing sufficient time for meaningful exploration without feeling rushed. The ship's departure times are clearly communicated, and they do wait for delayed ship-sponsored excursions. After sailing on Norwegian Sky multiple times, I can provide an honest assessment of this ship's strengths and areas where it shows its age. The overall experience consistently exceeds expectations, especially considering the ship's vintage and price point. The ship's size creates an ideal balance between amenities and intimacy. You won't find the massive water parks or Broadway-style shows of newer vessels, but you also won't deal with overwhelming crowds or long waits for elevators and restaurants. Service throughout the ship maintains Norwegian's reputation for friendly, accommodating staff. From housekeeping to dining room servers, the crew genuinely seems to care about guest satisfaction. Language barriers occasionally arise, but staff members work hard to overcome communication challenges. The ship shows some signs of age in certain areas, particularly in stateroom bathrooms and some public spaces. However, recent renovations have addressed most cosmetic issues, and mechanical systems function reliably. Dining quality surprises many guests who expect cruise ship food to be mediocre. While it won't compete with high-end restaurants on land, the variety and preparation exceed reasonable expectations for the price point. Entertainment options provide good variety without being overwhelming. The production shows are professionally done, and guest entertainers generally deliver quality performances. The casino and bars create lively evening atmospheres. One area where Norwegian Sky truly excels is value. The overall experience delivers significantly more than the cruise fare suggests, especially when compared to land-based vacation alternatives. What sets Norwegian Sky apart from competitors is its commitment to the freestyle cruising concept without the chaos that sometimes accompanies larger ships. You get the freedom to dine when and where you want without feeling lost in a floating city. The ship's intimate size means you'll start recognizing fellow passengers and crew members, creating a sense of community that's harder to achieve on megaships. This social aspect enhances the overall cruise experience significantly. Norwegian Sky's itineraries often include longer port stays compared to newer ships that rush between destinations. This allows for more meaningful exploration and reduces the feeling of being constantly on the move. The ship's age actually works in its favor in some ways, as it attracts passengers who appreciate classic cruise experiences over high-tech attractions. This creates a more relaxed atmosphere focused on traditional cruise pleasures. The freestyle dining concept eliminates rigid dinner schedules and dress codes, appealing to travelers who prefer flexibility over formality. This approach works particularly well for families with varying schedules and preferences. Norwegian Sky offers limited meeting facilities compared to newer ships designed for corporate events. A small conference room can accommodate intimate business gatherings or special celebrations, but don't expect extensive business center facilities. The meeting space works well for small group presentations or family reunions requiring organized gathering spaces. Basic audiovisual equipment is available, though options are limited compared to land-based conference facilities. Wedding and vow renewal ceremonies can be arranged with advance notice. The ship provides romantic settings for intimate celebrations, though couples should manage expectations regarding elaborate decorations or extensive customization options. Private dining options exist for special occasions, allowing groups to reserve sections of restaurants or arrange customized menus. These experiences require advanced planning but can create memorable celebrations. Throughout my multiple sailings on Norwegian Sky, I've witnessed countless moments that exemplify exceptional cruise experiences. During one sailing, I watched crew members go far beyond normal duties to help a passenger who had lost important medication, coordinating with port authorities to arrange emergency replacement. The housekeeping staff consistently surprises guests with personalized touches, remembering preferences from previous days and sometimes creating elaborate towel art displays for special occasions. These small gestures significantly impact overall satisfaction. I've seen dining room staff accommodate complex dietary restrictions with creativity and enthusiasm, working with galley chefs to create special meals that exceed guest expectations. Their willingness to go the extra mile creates lasting positive impressions. During rough weather on one sailing, entertainment staff quickly reorganized activities to maintain guest satisfaction despite canceled outdoor events. Their adaptability and positive attitudes turned potential disappointment into memorable experiences. The guest services team handles problems with professionalism and genuine concern for resolution. I've witnessed them work tirelessly to address issues ranging from billing problems to medical emergencies, always prioritizing guest welfare over convenience. Fellow passengers often comment on the ship's friendly atmosphere, where strangers become temporary friends and crew members feel like extended family. This social dynamic creates vacation experiences that extend far beyond the physical amenities. Norwegian Sky proves that newer isn't always better in the cruise industry. This ship delivers authentic cruise experiences focused on relaxation, exploration, and genuine hospitality rather than overwhelming guests with endless options and activities. The value proposition remains outstanding, especially for first-time cruisers or those seeking traditional cruise experiences without breaking the bank. Every sailing reinforces why this ship maintains such loyal following among experienced cruise passengers.